When I first came here to Raleigh, I didn't know anybody at all. Like, I really didn't know anyone at all. I just came here in my Volkswagen running from Baltimore, okay? So if you've been to Baltimore, you understand. So I always say Baltimore is one of the only places that everything they say about it is true. Yes. Yes, so I came here in a Volkswagen with all my stuff packed in the back. I even like left my bed in my room and just came here with like nothing, not knowing anyone. You know, coming here, not knowing anybody, starting a business, you know, definitely the insurance field is super competitive, okay? I mean, every time you look, it's always another agent popping up. I'm sure if you raise your hand, we all know an agent, right? And you know, the thing about it is that after a while, I knew I had to do something different so people wouldn't just keep scrolling past me on Facebook, right? Because after a while, it felt like I was talking to myself. So I had to use the power of style to elevate my influence, you know? And the thing about influence, I don't know if you all know, but influence, all it means is bringing someone to a decision. That's all that influence is being able to bring somebody to a decision. And there are 3 keys to elevating your influence to through the power of style. The first one is your attitude, okay? That is the first aspect of elevating yourself. Now, what do I say as far as your attitude? No, not just being cheery every day, but becoming a doer. It is all about energy, right? The more energy you give your business, the more deals you make, the bigger deals you make, right? So with that said, you have to become a doer. Now, if you're not sure if you are a doer, I'm gonna give you a test to see if people recognize you as a doer. Tell them something extreme. So tell them that you're gonna be a scuba diver, right? So if you are not a doer, right? When you say that, people gonna laugh at you. They're gonna brush you off, right? They're gonna, you know, oh girl, you playing, you so crazy, right? But if people recognize you as a doer, they'll start to get concerned. They'll start to get concerned because they know it is a great chance that you might actually do it, okay? People want to connect with doers. People want to do deals with doers, right? It is a saying that says there are a lot of great ideas that are in the cemetery. They never did nothing with it. The more you do, the bigger deals you will make. The second aspect to elevate your influence through your style, okay, is your language, okay? Let me tell you, some people are boring, okay? I mean, over 15,000 words in the English language, and you saying the same thing every day? Tell me, I feel fine.
I feel fine.
Oh, no, that's right. Tell me I feel good.
I feel good.
Okay, now tell me I feel fantastic.
I feel fantastic.
Look at you. I know that's right. Let's clap for Michelle. Listen, when she said she felt fantastic, her whole body changed. Her voice elevated, okay? And that is all about the energy of your words. We all know, of course, that words are spiritual. You know, they can, you know, make wars, they can make peace, and they can make deals, right? And also, you know, you want to elevate your language. So on 3, we're all going to say together, I feel fantastic. 1, 2, 3.
I feel fantastic.
I love it. Great vibes for everybody. Yes, fantastic. Okay, and the third element, okay, of elevating your style is your appearance. Dress for the check that you expect. I know that. Dress for the check that you expect. For sure. Listen, being well dressed is good manners.
It's good manners.
Yes, it is. It is good manners. And then again, that's part of the energy. The same way that your words move people, the same way that your fashion could move people. Your appearance is everything. Some people, they'll go ahead and say, well, Melissa, Mark Zuckerberg, who runs Facebook, he's a billionaire and he wears jeans or a sweatshirt. you know, or t-shirt, and he's a billionaire. Well, what they do not tell you is that number one, that t-shirt he wears is $400. Okay, they don't talk about that part. Okay, they always try to get us to live like misers, according to billionaires, right? So his shirt is $400. His sweatshirts that he wears daily are $4,000. His jeans are $195. Okay, he's a billionaire. I feel comfortable paying him $150 a day for ads. Okay, dress for the check that you expect. Also too, what you may be saying, how can you elevate your style? Number one, timelessness is key. All right, I definitely, you know, I per se, I can wear my clothes, it doesn't matter what year, okay? Number two, all black. I know you in black, Michelle, no shade, girl. No shade to the Michael Kors, but add some color. Add some color. Seriously, when you add color, it makes you feel more vibrant. And the final key, I will say, when it comes to elevating your style, it doesn't have to be expensive. Just quality. Just quality. There's a reason why when women get their hair done, that they feel better, right? Listen, very rarely will you see a well-dressed person in a bad mood. Okay, when I'm going through, I definitely look like it, for sure. So to end this, I will go ahead and I will just leave you with a quote by Michael Kors himself. And that is, style is timeless. Going with every trend will make you fashionable, but it will not make you stylish. Thank you. Thank y'all so much.